my YouTube bots. Look, got the phone one up. This one's 52 inch. That's 4 lights. My boy's hell. Yeah, the blinds are fucked up. I already know, so don't comment about that. But it's 4 of these, so it's with the white off. Like, high on this is slower than medium on that one. It's crazy. But it's not capacitor, it's because it's same size, everything, this speaker boy. This one is pink ass. It's the most pink ass one here to put up. Ain't that right, Mom? Yeah. My mom's trying to clean all this shit up. We trashed it even more. There it is. It's high. Shut up, pole tank. It wobbles. One screws we couldn't get no way, but it's up there and gonna fall. It's just wobbly. Okay, I hope you freaking enjoyed the video and goodbye.